I love you. I love you. I love you. Oh, I love Adam. Oh, you found your fist? I love you. You're my sweetheart. You're my sweetheart. Oh, how I love you. Yes, did we go to the zoo today? Yes, did you wake up to see the hippo? Yes, hi.
What do you have to say to the camera, Adam? Adam?
Yum. Found your fist in your clothes? Yes? What are we gonna do tomorrow? What should we do?